Let me keep on trucking before I lose. And there is, that's it for now. As you can see, I'm still going. Let's see where I'm going here. Is not the way I wanted to go hiking. You guys let me do this. You can do it! I'll fall over any cliffs, but down there behind it. But let me get to what I need. On the backpack because it was raining. I took my jacket off. But me, the Grand Canyon, and pretty awesome. Trying to get to a campsite. It's a pretty good view behind. Speaking of burning up. Just made it to Indian Garden, I think. We'll see. Yeah, you mostly. Enjoy. Good morning. I'm doing fine. Yourself? Indian Garden. Fortunately, so heading up. Here's a cute little waterfall. I'm coming from that way. And now it looks I have to cross a raging river. So, trail's on the other side. Show us how to do it. Talking about those rocks. Okay, I didn't even think about that. The goal to make it all the way up there. I'm trying to get over this big mud puddle here. I'll have to get back to you guys later, hopefully when I get to the top. And Inglewood. All right.